Here we go. We have the first river crossing. This one I call the serpent because you have to snake through several areas to get it just right. We're going to have two models now show you the correct way and the incorrect way. So this is the second half of the serpent. So the trick that we have here is that if you're not sure where the shallow parts are, just listen for it. If you listen closely, it will guide you across the river crossing. But first, keep in mind, snowmelt can change the area at any time, so pay attention. Guðberg is going to show you the right way, Berger is going to show you the wrong way.